Want to go from looking like, girl, you know you wrong, to, ooh, who is that? In just a few seconds using the CurlsQueen Half Wig, let me go ahead and show you how to change your hairstyle up and get ready for the day in just 10 minutes. You know the Half Wig always come through and save the day. Tools needed: CurlsQueen detangling brush, as well as their bunny to preserve my curls overnight. And you know I gotta have my foam, eco styling, and edge control. Now here goes this half wig that we all looking for. Straight out the bag, this is the texture that it's giving. This unit today is CurlsQueen 4A4B Kinky Coily Half Wig 18-inch. The density of this wig is definitely something to acknowledge. You see how thick it is? And here's the length. But here are the clips on the inside to attach it to my hair, and the band to secure it properly. You see the length. Preparation before installing the wig. I'm going to go ahead and part out my edges so I can have some hair out for my flip over method using this half wig. Now that I have that finished, I'm going to go ahead and part it in the middle and just 2-strand twist it flat all the way down so it can be sectioned out and properly out the way. And due to the length of my hair, I'll be sure to add a rubber band at the end to make sure that it stays secure. Now that I have my leave out properly sectioned out, we're going to go ahead and focus on this braid down under the wig. First things first, I'm going to go ahead and section out my perimeter braid. So my perimeter braid is where the wig attached to all around, which is where all the clips under the wig will be connected. This is the finished product of my perimeter braid. It's nice and neat to make sure that my wig is secured properly. Now for the remainder of my hair, I'm just going to do straight backs all the way to the back. All of my midsection braids will be medium size. They don't have to be nice and neat, just flat so that the wig is presented in a natural state. Alrighty y'all, and this is officially how my braid pattern look. Now if you don't know how to braid, please feel free to go ahead and put the hair in a ponytail, slick it back real good, and put a wig cap on it and put that wig on. You ain't gotta do all that, but this, I did this because I know I want to wear this for a couple of days and it's a little bit more secure. So in order to get my leave out to blend in well with my half wig, I am witnessing that these are two different textures. They're similar but different, so I'm going to curl them with my mini rods. And for this, I'll be using hair foam as well. So for my smaller edges, I'm going to use my smaller rod. And for my midsection, I'll be using a bigger one. So what I do is go ahead and place some foam all through my hair. I basically like finger it through my hair to make sure that it's all the way in, very moisturized, because as these rods are sitting, we're gonna go ahead and hydrate and prepare the wig. But I need this to be good and ready. So what I do is just attach it to my hair, roll up my ends first, and then I just roll it up, twist it up, and connect it. It is a very easy step. I think this definitely will help your natural hair blend in better if your natural hair does not specifically blend in with the exact texture. The beautiful thing about CurlsQueen though, they do have a variety of textures provided. So even if this specific texture doesn't align with your hair, you can definitely be sure to check out their website and see which ones align with your hair. But this method is very easy. Just basically place foam through it, roll up my ends really nice and neat so that it stays intact, and roll it right on up like this, pretty tight, nice and neat, and connect it for the end. Therefore, it should, you know, come out looking really curly and blending in well with the wig, okay? Now let this dry. So while we're doing that, we're gonna go ahead and prep the wig. So I'm gonna make it wet, show y'all how it looks. So curly, moisturize, enhance the curl, because it's looking a little dry now, and it's also very, very thick. And it's summertime, so we want to get something that fits the weather occasion right now. All of these can definitely go for any season. I just want to enhance a little bit more to fit the season that I'm in currently. So yeah. So what I'm going to do now is basically drench my half wig in water. The reason being is because it's a very thick density wig, very full wig, and that spray bottle would have took me forever. I'd have been spraying for dear life. So I said, you know what, I'm just going to take it up under the sink for about 10 seconds, go ahead and get it thoroughly in there so that it can be fully hydrated and be way easier to maintain when it comes to hydrating these curls. Then I take it off and I go ahead and damp it off a little bit with my towel. Not fully, because we definitely need that moisture, but for all the excessiveness, and go ahead and just brush through it really well so they can be way easier to detangle and maintain. Now let's go ahead and add on this wig. So we're going to attach the clip on each side, 2 on the side, 1 in the front, and as well as 1 in the back. And be sure to hide that screen because we don't need that. We're going to go ahead and brush through it even more to just go ahead and lay it down a little bit better and see if it can just look a little bit more just laid. And the density of this wig is a lot. It's a lot to manage. So I'm going to see if I can enhance it with some curls and just make it a little bit more chill. Like, it's really, really big hair right now. And I'm a big hair girly, but you know, the gel I'm using, y'all, I have some Eco Styling gel. So this is basically what I'm going to do to enhance the curls. So I already wet. I've got some Eco Styling gel on my hand. I'm going to pull it through like this. I can either finger coil it. I'm going to finger coil it first, and you see the curls are already enhancing just that easily. And you can also use the CurlsQueen brush to enhance it even more. And these are the curls. Now I can say, doing this on this entire wig, it definitely takes time, and you're definitely going to need a lot of products, honestly. Like, a little goes a long way, but for how thick the density of this wig, it definitely does require a nice amount of product, not gonna lie. But the curls are looking really good, so I'm gonna go ahead and keep on finishing these and show y'all how the official enhanced curl look as well. Okay. Now I want to go ahead and test this out real quick with some foam to see if I can get the same curl with using foam instead of all of my Eco Styling gel. So let's see. Because foam, we all know that hair foam is a bit, let's see, a bit more affordable than Eco Styling gel. So let's see. Okay, turns out looks like you can achieve it with the foam. I will say the Eco Styling gel curl, it definitely looks better to me personally. Like, it looks juicier, but you can still feel this with hair foam as well. But this gonna take a little time, y'all. So I'm gonna come back, show y'all how the wet side look versus the dry side, because we still got a lot more dry over here. So curls enhanced. Wow, do you see the juiciness in those curls? How full and luscious it looks? This is officially the hydrated moisturized side compared to the dry side. Do you see the difference? And which side do you like the most? Be sure to use my code for percentage off if you're interested. Me personally, I definitely love the hydrated side a lot more, but the natural dry side looks very natural. I think it depends on your personal preference. Now it's time to take out these rollers. I have officially took out one. I feel like it's already blending in better. This is the mid section. It has a little curl at the end, as you can see. I didn't keep it in for that long. Honestly, just kept it in until I just hydrated the wig. But I definitely still feel like it formed a curl. Now let's see how well I can blend in my natural hair with CurlsQueen Kiki Coily Half Wig. I'm going to go ahead and take my hard brush and brush it into it and do this on each side, guys. So this is straight up how it looks after just brushing it in a little bit. And as you can see, you can definitely still tell a minor difference. But what we're going to do is go ahead and add some Eco Styling gel as well to enhance it, you know, with my edge control. All the tools I told y'all I use, let's go ahead and add those in to officially achieve this style. And as you can see, girly pop, there's already a huge difference within just 9 minutes. And the blend, I haven't even added any Eco Styling gel yet, y'all. The blend is already doing its due. So I just grab my CurlsQueen brush and just brush it inside of it. And that is how it's already looking. I feel like it blends so well. It looks so natural. And it definitely aligns with the natural length of my natural hair. So yes, I love this, y'all. And y'all already know that I had some Eco Styling gel inside of my wig. So just blend it with my natural hair, do it well. But this like it's coming out of the scalp, okay? In just 10 minutes. Thank ya. I love it, y'all. If y'all love a quick and go easy style, be sure to go ahead and check out CurlsQueen website, add this to your collection, or check out the density and the textures that they have to align with your natural hair. But this right here fits perfectly for mine. I am definitely satisfied with this. Would you purchase this CurlsQueen wig? I definitely feel like you should. You think you wouldn't, because this is a killer, girl. I did this in 10 minutes. My hair is ready, quick and easy to go. And let's go ahead and use some enhancement enhancements or some accessories to see how it would look. This is the first thing. This is like a pearl headband. I went ahead and added it. You know, you can wear this to business, casual, church, whatever's your vibe. I like this. I love how it sits on my hair. It looks so beautiful. This is like my natural hair, y'all. I absolutely love CurlsQueen Half Half Wig. Next thing we're gonna do, y'all, is go ahead and try a headband. So this is a wide headband. I just wanted to see how it would look or if I would like it. Let's see. Boom shakalaka, bam, y'all. This is cute for a teacher, like, you know, whatever your business casual, you at a desk job, you a nurse, whatever it is, y'all. That flows very, very well, y'all. So I wanted to go ahead and see if I can style it. You know, we're gonna try a half up, half down, see how that looks as well, to try to see if we can do a different style than just having it all down in our face for, you know, any careers or days that we have want to just wear our hair up. So this is how it looks with a half up, half down, y'all. That was so quick and easy to do, literally about 5 seconds, and it's accomplished. And I'm just gonna brush it in a little bit more so that it blends a little bit better. You do see a minor little bit of hump, but you gotta look real close. You know what I'm saying? If you mind your business, it look like God gave it to you. Okay, that's the goal. And you can always also apply a headband over this if you would look more, you know, feel more comfortable without, you know, the little hump that show. But I love this, y'all. This turned out beautiful. Let me know, guys, what do you rate this in the comments below? Me personally, I think this is a 10 out of 10. I feel so beautiful. It really feels like you're going out of my scalp. My hair is done in less than 10 minutes. I can go ahead and walk out the door. Look like it's going out of my scalp. Natural, full, easy to do, definitely beginner friendly. And yeah, only thing I say that would take the most time for this is just really getting the wig together, because yeah. And this is how it looks at its dry state. Be sure to use my code. Click the link in the description to check it out if you enjoyed this wig. I love this beautiful style. It's definitely beginner friendly and quick and easy to go. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Make sure I have a lovely blessed day and night. Like, comment, and subscribe, and check out CurlsQueen website for all their different textures and lengths. Have a nice day. Bye.